Welcome back to English Grammar Tales. Today, Daniel and Lily are at work, and Daniel is not having the best morning. Let's join them.
Lily, have you seen my keys? I've looked everywhere. My desk, my jacket, the staff room, they're just gone.
Oh no! When did you last have them?
This morning, I locked my front door, put them in my jacket pocket, and that was the last time I saw them.
Have you checked with reception downstairs? People hand things in there all the time.
I haven't. Good idea. I'll nip down now. Lily, they've got them. Someone handed them in first thing this morning.
Oh, thank goodness. You were in quite a state there.
I know. I've never lost my keys before. Well, not since university anyway. I lost them once back then, and they were in my own coat pocket the whole time.
Classic. Do you want a coffee? I'm just heading to the machine.
Yes, please. So, how has your morning been?
Actually, really good. I finally finished the Harper report, the one I've been working on since last month.
That's brilliant. That's been hanging over you for ages.
It really has. I started it in February, got pulled onto 2 other projects and just couldn't get back to it. But I came in early today and pushed through, sent it off at 9:15.
There's nothing better than finally getting something off your to-do list. How's the rest of your week been?
Really good, actually. I had a great meeting with the new client yesterday, the one Sarah brought in last week.
Oh, how did that go?
Brilliantly. They're very clear about what they want, realistic budget, no drama. We agreed on everything first try.
That sounds like a dream. My week has been the opposite. I've had nothing but trouble with the Henderson account. They've changed the brief again.
Again? Didn't they change it last Thursday?
They did. I've rewritten that proposal 4 times now. I spoke to James this morning, and he told me to push back. But I've never been great at that.
I used to be exactly the same. But saying no is part of the job, Daniel. Once you start doing it, clients actually respect you more.
You're right. I'll have a word with James after lunch. Oh, did you see the email about the team away day?
I did. Last Friday of the month, some activity centre outside the city.
Last time we did something like that, they made us build rafts. Mine sank immediately.
I remember. You were absolutely soaked.
Soaked through. In October, I caught a cold that lasted 2 weeks.
I've never forgotten the look on your face when it went under.
Pure despair. Right. I need to get through these Henderson emails before lunch. See you at 12:30?
12:30. And Daniel, don't forget your keys this time.
Already on it.
Now, let's look at the difference between present perfect and past simple, simply and clearly. Past simple is for something that happened at a specific finished time in the past. I lost my keys once at university. A specific time, finished. I started it in February. A specific month, done. I spoke to James this morning. This morning, complete. Present perfect is for something in the past that is still connected to right now. I've lost my keys. They are missing right now. I've rewritten that proposal 4 times. The problem still exists now. My week has been the opposite. The week started in the past and is still happening now. I've had nothing but trouble. It started in the past and is still continuing now. They've changed the brief again. They changed it and the effect is felt right now. I finally finished the Harper report. Just completed and the result matters now. The one I've been working on since last month. Started in the past and only just finished now. I've never forgotten the look on your face. It happened in the past and the memory is still with her today. The simple rule, past simple, the when matters, a finished story. Present perfect, The now matters. The past is still connected to today. And that's a wrap on episode 3 of English Grammar Tales. Join us every Tuesday and Friday when Daniel and Lily are back with a brand new conversation. Until then, take care and we'll see you very soon. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye!